Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel.
If you've ever seen those big soulful eyes and long flowing ears and thought, that's the dog for me, then you're probably thinking of a Cocker Spaniel. But did you know there's more than one type? Today, we're taking a deep dive into the wonderful world of the Cocker Spaniel, exploring everything from their history to their grooming needs. Let's get started. The story of the Cocker Spaniel begins in Spain, where they were bred as spaniels, a term for dogs used to hunt birds. Their specialty was hunting woodcock, which is where the cocker part of their name comes from. For a long time, all spaniels were just grouped by their size. It wasn't until the 19th century in England that they were officially recognized as a distinct breed. But the story doesn't end there. When these dogs made their way to America, breeders started to develop a slightly different look. This led to a split, and now we have two distinct types, the English Cocker Spaniel and the American Cocker Spaniel. So, what's the difference? The English Cocker is typically taller and has a longer head and a less domed skull. They have more of a classic athletic hunting dog look. The American Cocker, on the other hand, is smaller, with a rounder head, a shorter snout, and those famously large, expressive eyes that just melt your heart. Their coat is also much thicker and more glamorous. While both are spaniels, their appearances have definitely diverged over time. Now let's talk personality. No matter which type you prefer, Cocker Spaniels are famous for being gentle, affectionate, and incredibly cheerful. They often get the nickname Merry Cocker because their tails are almost always wagging. They are fantastic family dogs and are generally great with children and other pets, especially when socialized from a young age. They thrive on being part of the family and can get a bit sad if left alone for too long. They're also intelligent and eager to please, which makes them relatively easy to train. They love activities like fetch, long walks, and even agility courses. That hunting instinct is still there, so they enjoy having a job to do, even if it's just chasing a ball in the backyard. But owning a Cocker Spaniel isn't all just cuddles and games. That beautiful, silky coat requires serious commitment. Whether you have an English or an American Cocker, regular grooming is non-negotiable to prevent mats and tangles. You'll need to brush them several times a week, if not daily, paying special attention to their ears, legs, and belly where the fur is longest. Many owners opt for a professional groomer every 6 to 8 weeks to keep their coat in a manageable puppy cut. And those long, droopy ears? They're adorable, but they can also trap moisture and debris, making them prone to ear infections. So, regular ear cleaning is an absolute must to keep them healthy and comfortable. Finally, let's touch on health. Like all purebred dogs, Cocker Spaniels are susceptible to certain genetic conditions. We already mentioned ear infections, but it's also important to watch out for eye problems like cataracts and glaucoma, especially in the American type. Hip dysplasia can also be a concern. A reputable breeder will screen their dogs for these issues. With a healthy diet, regular exercise, and consistent vet checkups, a Cocker Spaniel can live a long and happy life, typically between 12 to 15 years. They are truly wonderful companions, bringing so much joy and love into a home. So there you have it, a closer look at the charming Cocker Spaniel. Whether you're drawn to the sporty English type or the glamorous American version, you're getting a dog with a heart of gold. Do you have a Cocker Spaniel? Share your stories in the comments below. We'd love to hear them. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into your favorite dog breeds. See you next time.